In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and share access to a project sheet in Smartsheet. We'll walk through how to open your project sheet, adjust who has access to everything in its workspace, and then grab a shareable link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option does, so you can confidently control access for your team or stakeholders. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet account, then navigate to your project sheet. You might get there from your recent items, your home screen, or by searching for the sheet name. Once the sheet is open, make sure you're in the grid view so your screen looks similar to a standard spreadsheet. This is the main working area where all of your project information lives. Next, look for the highlighted area in the top right of the sheet interface. This is where Smartsheet keeps your sharing and permissions options. Go ahead and click on that highlighted sharing control. When you do, a panel or dialog will appear that shows who currently has access to this sheet and how that access is being granted. In that sharing area, you'll see an option that refers to access to everything in the workspace. Click on that option. This is important because it doesn't just control the single sheet you're on, it helps you manage access at the workspace level, which can include multiple sheets, reports, and dashboards. Adjusting things here helps keep your permissions consistent and avoids having to update every item one by one. Now, click on the Manage button. This will open a more detailed permissions view. Here, you can see the different users or groups who have access and what level of permission they have, such as viewer, editor, or admin. It's a good idea to quickly review this list to make sure only the right people have access, especially if you're preparing to share a link more broadly. In the Manage view, click on the highlighted Share or Link option. This is where Smartsheet lets you create or adjust a link that others can use to open the sheet. Once that menu is open, choose Copy Link. This will copy the link to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, chat message, or documentation. Before you send it, remember to think about whether the link provides view-only access or allows editing, and choose what's appropriate for your situation. After copying the link, click on the highlighted area again to return to your main sharing settings. If you'd like, you can customize the name associated with this link or setting. Click on Name, update it to something clear and descriptive so you remember what this link is used for, and then confirm your choice. When you're done reviewing your sharing and link options, click on Done to close the sharing window and return to your project sheet. At this point, your access settings are updated, your link is copied, and you're ready to share your Smartsheet project with the right people.